Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here to do a earrings of the day. Alright, so these are two pair that I have been working on in between orders. Number one, I want to show y'all so y'all could get some ideas for when y'all do y'all Bantu knot queen. So I'm a hip-hop head, which I'm creating some. This is my hip-hop collection. I done did hip-hop pieces over the years, but I want to do something different for 2020, so I'm bringing out probably 12 or more different pairs of different hip-hop earrings. I'm pretty sure it's going to be more because I always incorporated hip-hop with Afrocentric, spiritual. That's just kind of like my style. So this is the Bantu knot goddess, and I was going to show y'all in the earring haul, but I've been so busy that I haven't had time to do an earring haul. So this is my Bantu knot goddess. If y'all would like to purchase the stencil, go to knoirdesigns.com. So this is what I decided to do with mine. I had just put like a brick design in the back, and then I call her Hip Hop Queen. But I have like so many different ones coming, y'all. So watch out for the Hip Hop collection by Unity. This is this, and this pair is so fly. If y'all can see how it sparkles, y'all see that? So this is the Hip Hop Queen pair, and this pair is so dope. This first pair I'm gifting them to a beautiful person that support me. She's a ride or die. Gifting these to her, but they are being duplicated. This is just her pair. So I made like a dude that looked, you know, he's a little short dude. He a little dude that, you know, he got his little money, got a little Kango, little gold chain. My sister talking about he looked like, what she say he looked like? I don't know, I can't even remember, but it was so funny. But yeah, so this, I need a roundaway girl. And then his little chain right here say hip hop. Got his little Kango on, and I put a little glitter here, get up there and put Kango. I didn't put the Kango symbol because that is not my symbol, so I won't do that. So over here, this is the roundaway girl. I gave her like braids up in the ponytail, which, you know, them is Stencils. He said he like a girl with Stencils in his hair, babble earrings, at least 2 pair. So right here, this is the roundaway girl, and I put the he said with the new edition Bobby Brown button on the sleeve, so I put that there. And her eyes are like really cool. He look hip hop. I'ma do him on probably a bag, a t-shirt. He gonna be on a couple of things, both of them, all of them. Yeah. So, and I gave her little baby hairs because it say baby hair shining lip gloss. I think lip gloss is popping. I don't know. I'm getting the words mixed up. But anyway, so yeah, I stained both of their faces. And then I put glitter. I even used the black glitter, if y'all can see that right up in here. I used like a black glitter on some parts of her hair. And right here, I put some on his right there. Y'all see that? So this is the first 2 pair from Unity Hip Hop collection. So y'all watch out because I got some dope pieces. These pairs will be listed on boabww.com. And if you want to purchase the stencil for the Bantu knot queen, it's on knoirdesigns.com. Thank you all for supporting her. Y'all like really supporting her. But guess what? I got some more. And don't forget about the goddess set and the other stencils on knoirdesigns.com. But yeah, I got some more cute stencils coming y'all way. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.